Hi, welcome to another tutorial. This is a brand new ESRPG project. I have the plugin installed, Fast Writing System. Now, if you go to Show Plugin and Show Engine Content, you should see Fast Writing System content. Go to the maps, and if I play, there you go. Everything works, right? Now, go to open this character. Let's open this character. Let's open the third person character in the writing system. And let's go open the ESRPG character, the character player. All right. So let's see the third person character in the writing system. What do we have here? So we have this key binding, and then we have this component. And in the construction scheme, it's pretty much the same as the blueprint version. You have the camera, right? So we're going to add the writer component. All right. In the construction of this, we are going to add writer's component set camera, and then I'm going to set the camera here, right? So we have that, and what else? We just have to copy the key binding, only this, and put it in the event graph somewhere. There you go. That's pretty much it. All right, that's step one. We need to update the animations. Open the animation here. Now open this animation. All right, let's see what we have in the event graph. We have this, so we are setting the writer component here. So we're going to do that here. So we get your writer component. So if you check if it's valid, then get the writer component and set the writer component here. Everything else, and we need this part, the writer component here. And we need to create this variable and this. This one as well. There you go, there's no error. If I go here, if you go to the, I think the main state machine, we have to place it here. This one, if you can just copy this, place it here. So if it's mounted, there, if it's not mounted, there you go. Now let's go to, so we have this, this is the game mode of the writing system. Now we can swap the ESRPG character with our third person. Play. Now this is just, see, everything works. You press F. It works, but the thing is, we have to retarget the animations. So in the third person, we have this animation, right? We can just open that, go to skeleton, and let's prepare the skeleton. Select Unit Rig Auto. This is fine, save. Now this requires some work. If we go to here, this, and go to skeleton, we go here, right click, retargeting skeleton, set animation to the first two, select emulate rig, click on automap. For example, this one has to be spine 1, this is spine 2. 1, 2, 3. Make sure the name is right. This is clavicle left, left, and right. This is clavicle right. Make sure is the same name, and right, neck 1, head. I think everything looks fine. Here should be, here everything should work. Beside the thumb get messes up for some reason. Thumb 1, 2, 3, and thumb right 1, 2, 3. All right, so we're done with this. Now I'm going to go to the writing system skeleton. I'm going to provide you guys with an FBX file. I'm going to drag it here, and I'm going to select the writing system mannequin. So you have the writing system FBX meshes, import. Now if I right click and do create pose, and it's going to automatically select the skeleton. All right, so I have done that. Save the project, go to the writing system skeleton, go to modify pose, and I'm going to select the pose already exists here. So this is where I saved it, right? Is a game ESRPG. Select that, import. Now I can have both A and T pose, right? Select the T pose and click on modify, then use current. I save. Now I can retarget this animation. If I right click, retarget, duplicate, yes, they're both are in T pose, target, and that's it. Now I'm just going to swap the, let's fill this animation right here. All right, we're almost done. Like now, if I try the animation, the mount should work, but we still have to set one more thing. So let's set the rotation. The ESRPG character, go to ESRPG character. The rotation is being set on tick. This is update character rotation, right? In here, we just have to set a logic. Do a divider component mounted. If it's mounted, we're not going to worry about rotating the character. All right, so that should take care of the rotation. If I play, everything is normal. Okay, the rotation is fixed, F, and after you dismount, everything works. Right, that should be it. Let me know if you have any questions. Join the Discord server. There you can ask me any questions.